Hey, Matt here, and welcome to Mob Street. Now, today I am out here with all three TWs, and I wanted to give you a quick update on where you can find some parts for your TW. Now, I've done a few videos with the owner of TW200, and I have some parts on my bikes too that I want to show you. So, TW200, as you can see right there on the top of my light bar, he built this light bar bracket that fits right underneath the headlight, and he also built this switch housing right here, so you could have three different accessories. Turn that switch on and your light bar lights up. So he's got that, and then you can even put like a USB charger or whatever kind of charger right there for your bike if you want to. He also has these keychains, which I have on all three of the bikes, and I've heard that he's getting some other ones, so if you don't see him where I'm going to send you, just hold off a little bit. They should be available again. So there's a keychain on that one as well, as you can see. Now on this bike with the 2002, I've got this J&S headlight that's going to be coming off, and he actually, TW200, has a bracket that fits into the TW headlight housing to where you can choose any 4x6 LED light that you want. So it's an adapter that allows you to choose whatever you want on there. Now, beforehand, it used to be, well, for me at times, I kind of had a little bit of trouble finding exactly where I could find the TW200 parts. But that's what this video is about. Short, simple, sweet. TW200 now has a website that you can go straight to and get the parts that you want for the TW. So he's got a couple of different things on there. I told you about the headlight bracket. You've seen the light bar, also the switches that you can put on there. Now, one thing about that switch housing that he makes is super clean, fits up beneath the turn signal indicator, and as you can see on this one, it looks like somebody tried to home make one here before. So this, not the biggest fan of, but if you look at how clean this one is, you've got a few different options. I think there's 1, 2, or 3 that you can actually get, and then this just mounts right here on top of the indicator behind the headlight nacelle, and it's super clean, super easy to install, and it just looks so much better than that. So again, he has a brand new website, and it is TW200.com. I'll put the link in the description below, so make sure if you want to look for any of that stuff for your TW200, go there. If there's questions or comments, put those down below. And if you want to see some, if you got some ideas for parts or whatever for the TW, put those in the comments as well, and I will share those with him. He looks and watches the videos also, so he'll be able to see what you comment and what requests we might have for the TW. So sweet, simple, to the point. I hope you found it informative. Make sure to hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along. I'm Matt. Those are the TW200s. This is Mob Street, and thanks for watching.